Julia, do you remember the first thing I did when we moved to Texas?
Look for a good taco spot?
Well, maybe the second thing. I looked for good parking lots to film on top of because it just gives you like such a cool view of the city. Anyway, today we're gonna talk about the thing that guys fear more than anything. The friend zone. All right, man, number one is the first date kiss. Look, man, I've been on a lot of first dates, like probably more than any man should realistically go on, and I can tell you the number one lesson I've learned is that you should always, 100% of the time, go for the kiss. Because check this out, bro, if you don't kiss her, she's immediately gonna assume there's no romantic chemistry between you guys. She's gonna feel awkward about it, and it's just easier to put you in the friend zone. Plus, these girls are used to guys not just going for the kiss on the first date, but like I can confirm the rumors. People do have sex on the first date, and it's a lot more often than you think. In fact, I've only ever had one girl reject my kiss on the first date, and it turned out that she was completely insane.
You're always stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue sky.
So for breakfast, we are at Torchy's Tacos. It's definitely not the best tacos, but it is like the best chain restaurant that sells tacos. And if you come here, you need to take some of this tomatillo sauce, put it on your taco, and then mix it with this hot Diablo sauce. Oh my God, that's good. Number two is the 3 S's. So first of all, your scent. If you smell bad, it's gonna be like there's an invisible bubble around your body, and girls are not gonna wanna penetrate that, bro. Like, they'll be comfortable hanging around with you as a friend and being near you, but they will never want to touch you and sleep with you. And that's why it's crucial that every single day you shower, wear deodorant, and I'd recommend cologne as well. Second of all is your stature, your body language, basically how you hold yourself. Obviously, you want to carry your shoulder blades back and your head nice and tall, but that's not enough. You also want to have body language that invites the girl in to touch you. Like when most guys are hanging out with a girl, they do something like this. You get nervous, you close your body off, and that makes it almost impossible for any sexual connection to happen. Instead, do this. Pimples on your face, or if you have dry or oily skin, this is going to create a lot of resistance for you. Like, girls are not going to want to get close to your face. They're not going to want to touch you and kiss you if they find your skin gross. And that's why I want to tell y'all about Tiege Hanley. Tiege Hanley has quickly become my go-to skincare system because each box comes with an assortment of products that are designed to work together and give you awesome skin. But not only that, it also comes with this simple card that tells you exactly when and how much of each product to use. Some of the things you're gonna get are a daily face wash, a morning moisturizer with sun protection. You're gonna get an exfoliating scrub. And this is not like generic shit that you get at the pharmacy, man. They use top of the line ingredients like collagen and eucalyptus. And I know you're thinking, that sounds kind of expensive. But here's the good news. They are actually sponsoring our video today. And because of that, they're gonna hook up all of you guys with an amazing price. So if you want to try out a box of Tiege Hanley, just click that first link in description. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but if you look at our car from the right angle, it looks like it's yellow. Like, our car is supposed to be black, but it looks yellow. And this isn't like a good black and yellow. This is like a piss yellow. We need to go watch this.
All right,
no, like right now.
Right this second?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Number 3, don't wait. Bro, if there's one thing I know, it's that waiting only leads to more waiting. Like, if you see a girl at the gym or the coffee shop or anywhere really, and you don't approach her right away, it's just human nature to keep procrastinating and just to put it off, and then you're not gonna do it. And even if there's a girl who you know you're gonna see repeatedly, maybe you even talk to her a little bit, the sooner that you ask her out on a date, the better. Because the spark that happens between two people, it happens right when you meet each other. That's when the excitement is at its highest. So the mindset that I've always lived by is that rejection is better than the friend zone. I would rather try and ask a girl out and get rejected, because then I can move on with my life, than spend like weeks or months worrying about whether this girl likes me or not, and then having to deal with the pain of the friend zone. Rejection is always better than the friend zone. Bro, literally right after we finished drying the car off, it started pouring out. It just undid all the work we did. But on a brighter note, this dope hoodie and these joggers I've been rocking all video, they're from my company Edge, and I finally have a release date for y'all. These will be launching on April 25th, Thursday. This is gonna launch in gray and black. These are gonna launch in black and gray. So stay tuned for that. Number 4, never go on a typical date. Unless you've already been hooking up with a girl for like 1 or 2 months, there's 2 types of dates you should never ever go on. The first one is dinner, because I can pretty much guarantee you, if you do dinner, this is gonna happen. Even if you're the most charismatic dude and she's super attracted to you, dinner forces you to have strict conversation facing each other for like 2 hours without being able to touch each other, and she's gonna think you're boring after that. Like, it's gonna be super frustrating for both of y'all. The second type of date to never do is going to the movies, because bro, you're gonna be sitting next to her, you can't talk at all, you don't really know her well enough to be touching her a lot, and it's just gonna put you right in the friend zone. So for my first date with a girl, I like to just meet them at a bar for drinks, because one round of drinks takes like 30 or 45 minutes. If you don't like her or she doesn't like you, you can end the date there. Plus it allows you to sit next to her, you can touch her and tease her a little bit. And after one drink, if things are going well, I would usually bounce to a second bar for another drink. It keeps things exciting, it's easy. And in terms of what to do after the first date, some other date ideas are getting ice cream with the girl, maybe walking around downtown with the ice cream, inviting her over to cook dinner with you, or you can honestly just go with the Netflix and chill. But don't call it that with the girl. Invite her over and say, let's have some wine and watch a movie together.
You're stickier than the super glue. I can never shake you out. I'm always trying to get rid of you.
You would honestly think that like Chick-fil-A gives away chicken nuggets or something. Like, look how many cars are here. Y'all probably aren't gonna believe me, but it's been like 2 weeks since I've had Chick-fil-A. How long has it been for you?
Like 3 weeks. That's a record.
It's blasphemy. Don't hate me, there's no recycling here. Number 5, don't catch feelings. Never catch feelings. Look, bro, I'm not saying to never ever catch feelings for a girl. I'm just saying that if you're not actually dating a girl or hooking up with her yet, and you've already caught feelings, like you're not pursuing other girls, you spend all your free time fantasizing about how awesome it would be to be with her, then like as soon as you actually talk to her, she's gonna know. She's gonna know that you're needy as fuck, and you're already in the friend zone at that point. And this all basically goes back to the fact that you need to prefer rejection over the friend zone. As soon as you notice that you're liking a girl, that's when you need to make the move. Because if not, it's the friend zone. Anyway, that's all I got for the video today. If you made it to the end, show me some love, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, what are you doing, bro? Click subscribe and turn notifications on, because I release videos just like this every Monday and every Thursday, and you don't want to miss them. I will talk to you in the next video. Stay out of the friend zone and stay beastly.